My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw and Will. I'm an insurance agent, and we're going to discuss what automobile liability is. When you drive a car and you're out and driving on the roads, if you make a mistake and hit somebody else and damage their vehicle, you are liable for the damage that you have done to their vehicle. So when you talk about automobile liability insurance, it is designed and was created to protect you as you drive. Now, who determines who's at fault in an automobile accident? Well, many times, if it's an understandable situation, there are times when liability is determined by the nature of the wreck. So, for example, if you rear-end somebody else, you are almost always liable for that accident. In other situations, the police will do a report, and that report establishes the facts of the wreck, and those facts are used to establish liability by the insurance companies. So that is why it's extremely important to always call police and have a police report when you get into a wreck. That report is used to establish who's at fault, and while the police won't always say in their report who's at fault, what they're doing is they're saying what happened. So once the facts of the case are established, the insurance companies or lawyers, depending on how it's processed, will get together, look at the facts, and determine who's at fault. So when you're talking about liability insurance for an automobile, it is designed to protect you as a driver from a mistake you might make when driving. And in the event that you are liable, you have to pay for another person's vehicle. Now that may be a fender bender, or it may be a wreck that caused a pileup. In whichever situation, you want to make sure your limits are high enough to protect you from any damage or any negligence you may incur while driving. My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw and Will, and we've been discussing automobile liability insurance.